I've been wanting to show you guys this for a while. Make sure I don't got any boogers. I met the pilot in Yuma, Arizona, and it's such a nice pilot. It's fairly new because it's open and it's so clean. Let me show you. So, I'm going to show you the restroom too real quick. This restroom is awesome. This is one of the nicest pilots I've been in. 7 months? I hope the other employees keep it as clean as you do. Because, I mean, for this to go to shit, it would be a disgrace, you know? The bathrooms are awesome too. Yeah, I took a shower last night. I took a shower last night. Yeah, this is awesome. Everything's cool, organized, and I'm blogging my coffee making. It's one of the highlights of the day. Would you like some coffee with that sugar? Okay, so anyways, there is a review of the pilot. It's like it's like a mall. It's like a mall up in here. So anyways, let me show you the bathroom and then I'm gonna show you what I really wanted to show you guys because I haven't showed it to you yet. And by the title of the video, you know what I'm talking about. I'm not going to go too far in the bathroom because I don't want to be invading anybody's privacy. But look at this bathroom. Oh my gosh. It's beautiful in here. Nice bathroom, huh? Yeah. Nice bathroom. Jesus. Wow. Fucking huge. Okay, now to show you what I wanted to show you guys. So at the pilot, at every pilot, they serve fresh milk for free. Probably not the healthiest milk, but it's still whole milk. So I call this the milk hack at the pilot. And I was hesitant to show this because I don't want the opportunity to go away, but I can't be selfish about this. So what you do is you make your cup of coffee and you bring your coffee over the table like I did. come over to this table, it'll have this machine, half and half, and right on the other side is one just like it. Let me take you over there. Let me switch arms real quick. You take a small cup. You fill that bad boy up. And then what you do, is come over here and you pour it in your coffee. Pour in your coffee. So that way it looks like you're just using this cup to make this coffee. But in actuality, you got a full cup of free milk. It's nice and cold. I mean, seriously, if you go over here to the milk, how much is one of these by themselves? Shamrock is good milk, by the way. $2.39 for one of those. So basically, you're getting $3 every one of those cups you fill up. $3.79. $4.29. Half a gallon, $4.29. That's good milk right there. Good milk. So anyways, there you go. There's the milk hack. I do it all the time. Don't mind if I do. She's gone. It's like my third cup of milk. And I'll go over here, and I'll be like, doo-doo-doo, yep, I'm making coffee. Yeah, right. Alright, can't get too greedy now. Stir it up here. Teaching people how to make the perfect cup of coffee. She knows I'm up to something. I better get the fuck out of here. I bet you this is being done though. So nobody said nothing yet. But I'm not going to be stingy with it. Because if it ever goes away, then I'll just go buy some milk. And I always have milk on board. Just right. And I like to get the coffee from the fresh ground machines. So you got the fresh ground machines right here. Fresh coffee grounds. You just go to the machine, tap it, pick what ounce cup you got, and then you can pick whatever coffee grounds you want. And then you got your already fresh coffee made. Salted caramel. milk hack. Love it. My milk hack, my pilot milk hack. Now you guys were informed. And then you could grab some donuts on the way out. So tempting. I might as well buy one, get 50% off. 2 for $4.50. Let's do it. What are we gonna get here? 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 Chocolate donuts. Chocolate. 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 Chocolate glazed honey bun. We'll get the crunchy. Chocolate and crunch. I got free milk, so I might as well buy some donuts. Ooh, look at the knives.
Welcome. Please scan your first item.